Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually change the language settings on your Redline X5K decoder, X Plus or X5000 Plus decoder. So let's say the language on it is not your preferred language and you want to change it. All you got to do is to pick up your Redline decoder remote, and then you press on the menu button on the remote, and then you use the arrow left and down, top and right keys just to navigate through the menu here, and then look for settings. So you put it on settings and then you press OK on it. So on this page you look through the list. We have preference over here, user preference. That's the fourth option. So you press OK on the remote on the preference. And on this page, first on the list, we have the language option and we have the preferred language subtitles. So if you prefer to change the subtitles as well, you can come here and then you change it. So the language option, we have only 2 languages on the Redline decoder, that's French and English. So if you prefer French, you change it to the Francais over there, and if it's English too, you change it like this. And the subtitles too, you can just change it to the preferred subtitle. That one we have different language options. As you can see, we have Russian, German, Portuguese, Spanish, different languages when it comes to the subtitles. So that's it. After you select your preferred option, then all you got to do is to press on the exit, and automatically it's gonna save for you. So after highlighting, it's like this, and then you press on the exit button and it's gonna save. Those settings will be saved. So let's select the French for you to know what exactly I'm talking about. So as you can see, now the interface has changed to French language. Everything here is in French. So that's it. If this video has been helpful, all you got to do is to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like the video, share on other platforms, and we keep coming back for more. There will be more videos every single day. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.